Hi everybody, my name is Mathilde. I have been studying pre-hospital emergency care for 2 years. In this program, you learn how to help people in emergency situations, and we also learn how to stabilize them until we arrive at the hospital. The virtual writing tutor will help me when I'm with an English patient. If I want to have a good intervention with him, I need to know how to pronounce words and sentences right. Virtual writing tutor can also help me to write my intervention report in English without doing a mistake. So at first, you need to write virtual writing tutor in the address bar at the top of the screen in the middle, like this. Now you're on the web page. As you can see, we have a text area here. In here you can write the word you have a problem with. For example, I don't know how to pronounce this word. Now you need to go click on the speaker on the right hand side of the screen, like this.
Glucometer.
Glucometer. Then you will be able to pronounce it right to your patient. Also, if you have a problem with the grammar or spelling, here's what you can do. You write a sentence like this one. When I arrived at the house, comma, I could so after you need to click on the submit button of spelling here. There you can see we have a spelling mistake. By clicking on the right side of the mouse, you can correct your mistake with the suggestion of the site, like this. You have a lot of suggestions. You need to pick the better one for your mistake. So for me it's cough. After, you need to click on the submit button of grammar if you need a grammar correction. Just here. Perfect. And when there is a lot of mistake, you need to scroll down with the scroll bar on the right hand of the screen. Here you can see the correction. He's suggesting to you a lot of corrections. So here's the first one. When I forgot to put an uppercase letter. So you need to go up and correct it. And then you go down again. The second one was hard. The feedback is an infinitive form is expected after a modal auxiliary. Try either an infinitive or passive infinitive form. Could hear or could be heard. As you can see, you have two suggestions. You need to pick one, the better one again for your sentence. This one was the good one. So, after this screencast, I really hope more paramedic will use this website because it could help the communication we have with the patient, and it could help to write better report in English, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed it, and have a good evening. Thank you.